Hi, Miss Hardy. I'm here to tell you a little bit about digital literacy in the 21st century. So what I've done is I have created a list of items that I believe are very important to the classroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over them. I'm going to tell you why they're relevant, and then you can implement them in the school and in the classroom. So the first item is the use of video content to engage students. This allows students to participate more in coursework. For example, if you assign a 200-page reading overnight, not many people are going to do it. But if you assign a summary of that reading and a 10-minute interesting video, your class is more likely to retain the information and more likely to participate. The second item is to create and deliver asynchronous presentations and training sessions, kind of like we're doing right now. So what this means and what it allows you to do, it allows you to leave lessons and instructions for your class or sub if you're absent, and I believe that is a very crucial part. So for step 3, it's compile a digital e-portfolio for the student's own development. This allows students to practice and work for professional goals. I know I had to do one of these. I'm not sure if you had to, but it really opened my eyes to the real world and prepared me for a lot of things. Step 4 is to create screen capture videos and tutorials, essentially what I'm doing right now. This allows lessons to be posted online for easy access for homework, for videos, whatever you need. You can explain anything without being in person. So number 5 is the use of blogs and wikis to create online platforms for students. So blogs are a great opener to the internet and allows people to voice their opinions and collaborate with others, which collaboration is a very important skill for the 21st century. So, and the last is create and edit digital audio. Creating and editing digital audio allows you to work on different projects within the class and any class, and allows students to increase their knowledge of technology. In this ever-changing world, it's apparent that we have this information. So all the listed areas of concerns allow students to grow and become better communicators, collaborators, and critical thinkers, as well as creators.